Credit Monkey Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. Credit Monkey is an emerging credit repair service designed to help individuals fix their credit scores by addressing negative items on their credit reports. It provides an easy-to-use platform with a focus on providing effective credit repair services for those dealing with various financial challenges, such as collections, charge-offs, late payments, and even bankruptcies. One of the standout features of Credit Monkey is its user-friendly approach. The company offers a simple online sign-up process and provides personalized credit repair plans that cater to different credit profiles. Whether you're looking to clean up minor blemishes or deal with more complex credit issues, Credit Monkey tailors its services to your specific needs. Another great feature is their credit monitoring service, which helps clients stay updated on their credit status and track any progress or new changes to their credit reports. In terms of strengths, Credit Monkey excels in affordability. Compared to many competitors, their pricing is competitive, and they offer flexible payment plans that make it easier for people with tight budgets to access quality credit repair services. Another strength is their educational resources, which can be incredibly helpful for individuals who want to better understand their credit reports and how to avoid common mistakes that hurt their credit scores. Credit Monkey is also known for its quick response times to customer inquiries, which adds to their overall level of customer service. However, there are a few weaknesses worth considering. Credit Monkey may not be the best option for those with more severe credit issues. While they do offer a good range of services, their expertise may not be as deep as some larger, more established credit repair companies. Additionally, their service might take longer than expected to show results, especially for individuals with multiple significant issues on their reports. In conclusion, Credit Monkey is a solid option for individuals looking for affordable and straightforward credit repair. While it might not be ideal for everyone, it's a strong choice for those who want personalized service at a reasonable price and are looking to take control of their credit improvement process.